So how do you open a Discord on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the Discord doesn't have an official app for the Apple Watch, so we need to find some workarounds or some methods that would supplement that feature, right? So a lot of people, even if you don't have the official, you have the official app on the iPhone only, you can still go to the Watch app and manage the notifications. Just make sure that you also receive the notifications like that, right? Just make sure you turn it on for like the third-party apps, and it will just get the job done. At least it will deliver stuff to your watch, right? But the other thing you need to know is that there are some clients, like third-party ones, for the Discord on the Apple Watch specifically, right? So there is an app called Watch Cord, which you can download for free on the App Store. It has some in-app purchases, and it will allow you to like start browsing the Discord directly on your wrist. Naturally, it's going to be, kind of small and everything. That is something to be that you need to count with. But there is also another application which is called Cord, which you need to pay for upfront. I guess it would even make more sense. And it allows you to also browse all of your servers and send messages and reply, right? Check out your DMs and everything from Discord, right? So I guess it could also work and get the job done well for you. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Most definitely hit the thumbs up if the video worked or if you liked this type of content. Stay tuned and I'll see you later in the next guides.